Opposition plays an important role, and we cannot be taken for granted today. Our leader Rahul Gandhi was also treated the same way, and he was disqualified after the High Court judgment was announced. No justice was given to him. Within a day, he was not allowed to present himself, but he was disqualified. So, he hukumshai ji chalta te maga dista, we condemn this. And hence we boycotted. The entire opposition decided to boycott this function.
So Rahul Gandhi
boycott. See, Rahul Gandhi is one part. We had to be taken into confidence. We are MLAs here. Vidhan Sabha, now there is a monsoon session coming up. There are several queries that were raised by us. I hope the speaker, who is the custodian of the house, listens to the opposition. Last time, आम्ही जे बीएसीन उलयल्ले की बाबा हे सेशन जे जाता that has to be minimum of 4 weeks or more. Also replies are not given to us within 48 hours. So all these things I feel that somewhere to stifle the voice, so silence the voice of the opposition, एक प्रयत्न चालला, so we condemn that. बाबा ते आम्ही सी लोक ना स्पीकर तेज अंडर ते झाले सी इट इज एन ओपन फॉर्म्युला एवरीवन नोज इट इज नॉट न्यू व्हॉट वी आर आस्किंग इज वी हॅव अ BAC Business Advisory Committee ji asta. It is our right to raise these queries there. So definitely in the coming BAC we will raise it again. That is the forum. That is the right forum.
आज boycott Yuri
ready bin जाऊन येले दुसरी
बरं नेसोन इल्लो तो आज बरं
अरे हांव काजरा वचपा लग्ना वचपा हांव नेसोन येयलो आमगे काम आहे काम कोण आमी मांदो इथंय इट वॉज डिसाइडेड बाय द ऑपोजिशन टुगेदर दॅट वी वूड बॉयकॉट इट
तुम्ही दोघच जण किती गेले तर
दोन जण काम ते गेले
बहुत हम तो लोग
लग्न होते See, I have always said that we have to be a constructive opposition together. Whatever our political differences might be, we have to fight for Goa and Goans. That is more important. The sad, sorry state of affairs that today what is happening in Goa, I am confident and I appeal through your medium that all the opposition parties, all the opposition MLAs should unite in the coming session.
I felt that the whole opposition felt that we should boycott because म्हाका जे पर्यान आमगेल्या ऑनरेबल लोकसभा स्पिकरांनी जे इतले घायेन तरी आमगे लिडराक तेन्ना डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केलो आतां डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन आमगेली पेंडींग आहाय स्पिकरा कडेन म्हाका दिसता आमगेले स्पिकरान थोडे तकले बुद्धी थोडे ज्ञान घेवचें की तेणें केस करून विदीन 24 hours डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केले ते आमगे स्पिकरान इवन द हायकोर्ट हेज गिवन अ 3 month टायम फ्रेम टू टेक डिसिजन आमगे स्पिकरान घेयल ना सो आज म्हाका स्पिकर आमगे लोकसभा स्पिकर येयलो तो एक बरी गोष्ट इन दिया आनी आमगे स्पिकराक तकले थोडे मातशें ज्ञान घेवन ही डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन हाय ती ताबडतोब तळी लायची अशें म्हणून हांव मागता.